Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Linda. Here is the live show of Canton Fair. Today, we'd like to invite our General Manager, Emily, come here. Welcome, Emily.
Hi, everyone. My name is Emily. It's my great honor to share some information in cast and bathtub. Since a lot of things happened in our industry, I think I know cast and bathtub very well.
Great. As we all know that there are so many unspoken rules in the world, such as taking substantial products as perfect ones, or cheat in work or cut down on materials. Is there any unspoken rules in cast iron bathtub line?
Well, some of our customers told us yes, they have ever experienced being cheated on cast iron bathtub and suffered a lot of loss about it. So the answer is yes.
Oh, really? Actually, I cannot understand the unspoken rules for the cast iron bathtubs. So could you please explain more?
Oh, yes. I will introduce these rules in details so that the importers can avoid the unspoken rules and be cheated and suffer the loss. First of all, some of them make cast iron bathtub from scrap metals, things like old heating radiators and water pipes, manhole covers, and even some car parts. While it is not the problem, recycling scrap is many energy efficient and cheaper than money is. The question is, they didn't do the material analysis and overuse the scrap parts, so this is the problem.
Oh, I cannot believe that. Is there any influence on finished tubs, or can we figure out by eyes?
Actually, we couldn't identify which tub is made with the over-proportion scrap metal at the very beginning. But it will occur many quality issues soon, because the chemical component of its excessive scrap metal is not stable and couldn't compensate the enameling tightly. So the enamel crack is the final fate. But our factory selects the special iron material of graphitic iron and analyze the ratio before the casting. And we will inspect the material at the very beginning to control the quality.
Mm-hmm. That's really terrible about that when I hear that. But as an end customer, I think we buy products means we trust you, right? And maybe it's much better for me to learn further to avoid poor quality. So it's better for you to tell me much further, okay?
Oh, yes. What's worse about the unspoken rules is the similar issues happened during all the production tools, such as glass, enamel felt, and so on. For example, we use A+ and AA with 4 layers of enameling. The thickness is 1.5 to 2.2 millimeter, while the others maybe use 3 layers is enamel. It is enough for them.
About enamel, I'm wondering how to identify a good felt. The much whiter, the better?
Oh, that's really a good question. There are 2 aspects to distinguish the quality of enamel felt. Firstly, it should be harmless to human, because people will lie down and contact the enamel directly. All of our products are with the California Proposition 65. This certification certifies that all of the tub is without the lid, so it is totally harmless about it. And secondly, the felt should be acid and alkali resistance. As for the A double level first, it can be against the 5% about the citric acid and 5% about the sodium hydroxide. And for double A first, the data is 10%. As for the white degree, the ASME standard requires not less than 72. It is enough.
Oh, you are so professional. I see.
Thank you.
There are also the reasons why there are such a big difference, price difference.
Yes, it makes a big difference on price. Although some of our clients misunderstand us and think that we make so much profit with the higher price, but they will get us back and to be our container because they will maybe experience some bad things.
So how can we avoid such unspoken rules? I think for myself or the friends here, also the customers would want to know this.
Yeah, that's really easy. Just buy bathtub from Southsea-bath.
Right.
Okay, seriously, I will show you how to inspect a bathtub here. Let's find one tub here. Let's go.
Okay.
Okay, let's find a new one about this one. This one, firstly, we will inspect the tub with the size. We will measure it. This is about 68 inch. Helinda, can you help me to show the size
Sure.
for our clients? Okay, about the wide. Okay. This is the first step of the inspection of the tub. And secondly, we will inspect the enamel surface. This is the most important step of the inspection. We can see here about the surface. There is no crack, chip, and lump, also no any black dots. Let's say this. And when we touch it, it is very smooth and glossy. So, about the enamel, we also referred to the acid and the alkali resistance. Before the live, we also make the test for you because it needs 15 minutes to check the result. For this one, this is for the acid inspection. You can see there, we can check the result here. There is no any influence on this one. And about this one is for the alkali. Let's check this result. Okay, you can check it by yourself. Then for the enamel, about that white degree, we will check this. The standard is about 72 about the data. Now we can check all the tab. So that's all for the enamel inspection. Then let's go to the third one about the painting. About the painting, we should inspect the junction. The junction about the enamel and the painting should straight and even. And the painting should not cover the enamel too much. We can see the details. It's very beautiful. Yeah, about this painting arrow, there should no any scraps and dirty dots. So then we finish the painting. We will check the thickness about the tab. Let's go to this one. Here. About the thickness, the ASME standard is more than 3 millimeters. Let's check our tab. It's about 10 millimeters. And the thickness about our enamel. The standard is 1.5 to 2 millimeters about the enamel thickness. Let's check it. Okay. Now let's go back about this enamel, this tab. I will lie down here to show you more about this tab, about the feelings on this tab. Okay, I'm here now. The size about this tab is 1.7 meter, and my height is 1.6 meter. You can see there, this size is perfect for my height. Yeah, and this shape is designed according to our human back. So when we lie on here, it's very comfortable. And about the bamboo shape. We can drink wine and watch the iPhone or the iPad when we bathing, so it is very enjoyable. Maybe I think we will feel sleep when we bathing. It's very comfortable. So I think I should get out here right now because maybe I will fall asleep here. Okay, so that's all about how to inspect a bathtub and avoid the unspoken rules. Did you get it and know how to choose a custom bathtub?
Well, yes, sure. I think you are telling us very good points when choosing a cast iron bathtub, and maybe 6 points. And firstly,
No. Just buy cast iron bathtub from us.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much, Emily. Today's topic on unspoken rules. And just be free to contact us if you are so interested in our products or services.
Okay, wait a moment. We have offered a special price here. If you buy bathtub during our content fair, you will get this one bathtub shelf for free. Please remember it. Contact us.
Okay, that's all for today's topic, and we are so greatly thank you for joining us, and see you next time. Thank you.
Bye. Have a nice day.